Hey, come back with me. On this occasion we will discuss the process of processing blue old kaka fish meat. In Japanese restaurants, they have their own uniqueness in selling fresh food from the sea. One of them is the deep blue parrotfish sashimi. In Japanese restaurants, visitors can directly choose the fish that will be used as food directly. This time it is old kaka fish that will be processed into sashimi. The fish that have been selected will be immediately cleaned and the workers will clean the fish scales first. The fish sold is certainly still fresh. After the sisk is cleaned, the next step is to remove the fish waste and clean it. After the fish is cleaned, the next thing is to separate the meat from the fish bones. This fish bone is not thrown away but used as a decoration on a serving plate. After the meat is separated, the next step is to separate the fine bones from the fish meat by pinching. After that, the workers will cut the fish meat into thin strips and serve it in a beautiful dish with a variety of delicious vegetables. How are you interested in trying it?